Alright, YouTube. What is up, guys? This is Team Dirtbash back again with another video. I got the head cam, and I got, hopefully this light works, and it does. So we're back again with another video. I'm gonna see if I could move the GoPro a little bit down. So I'm gonna hang these lights in the shed, and then I'm gonna talk to you about my quad. Hopefully you guys understand. I interrupt the Warrior video for this. If you guys don't know who I am by now, I make quad content, I make off-road content. I've been making content for probably, put it this way, I've been making content for about over 7 to 10 years on YouTube. Does it get any views? No. We have videos with over 10,000 views. We have videos with over 4,000 views. We have videos with over 5,000 views of just the stupidest things in the world. People commenting, saying that we shouldn't own tools, saying that we suck. Why is this on YouTube? You know, stuff like that. Just stupid comments. Now, keep in mind, I was 16 when I started, I would say me and Isaac were 16 when we started making videos on YouTube. If you guys don't know who Isaac is, Sleeper's Garage, that's the channel that we started on. That's the channel that has all the views. And then we kind of just ventured off and did our own thing. I did my own thing with my videos, and he did his own thing with his videos. I've been making videos on my own for a couple of years, and I think that my content is fucking getting better. A lot better, and I like my content. So getting on with that, I would say quads, dirt bikes. I've had a lot of things on the channel. I didn't really talk about my dirt bike too much, but had a lot of things on the channel. Had a Jeep, whatever. I'm not really good at explaining things, but I guess I'll be more comfortable on camera and explain things as time goes on, because I don't really make vlogs a lot, and that's why, because like it's just boring. It's just me talking to the camera. So anyway, besides me talking to the camera, shout out to all of my close friends that watch my YouTube videos. Shouts out to the randoms. If you're watching this now, subscribe, like, share. It'll help the channel tremendously. I really need you guys' help on that one. I'm at least trying to make like 2 cents off a video, so that'd be awesome if I can get to 1,000 subscribers and get monetization back, because I did have monetization. I was making like 67 cents a video, and then they took it away from me because of all the stuff on YouTube a couple of years ago. Question is this, if you guys can see it, the exhaust is a real carbon fiber exhaust. I assume this is real. It might just be some bullshit design, but it's falling apart. So there's these supposed to be two nuts. There's one screw in here, other screw's missing. What happened was I started to jump the quad, and parts started to get loose, obviously. So the muffler, if you guys didn't know, this was my mom's quad. She pretty much built it, or not really built it, but she slapped on a full exhaust, a jet kit, and some Hauser parts. She was sponsored by Hauser. She did a little bit of racing, a little bit of hair scrambles, a little bit of track. I don't really have any of those videos anymore. There's a few videos on YouTube that she made just fucking around. The reason why my channel is called Team Dirtbash is because my mom made Team Dirtbash, if you guys didn't know. So I kept the name, and I kept her quad alive for the most part. This is in 2008 YFZ that she bought from the dealership brand new. I mean, I knew it was going to be on there. There we go. Here we go, boys. We got the goddamn muffler off. Holy shit. Yep. It's what you think, guys? You think I can save that, or is it gone? Is that gone? I think it's gone. Yep. That's it's carbon fiber, fiberglass, whatever you want to call it. I think this muffler is gone. Damn. This is why I took it off. And if I had it on there for any longer, it wouldn't have been on there any longer. So in the last clip, we figured out that the exhaust is fucked up. This is my HMF. It's the same day I'm literally recording this. But yeah, I already took it out.
It. Sensei, he come to progress shit. You see the vibes crept in. Right next to creps to the left. Wine shy like salad dressing. Don't care what you dressed in. We all just smile with the shine while you standing in the shadows with your henchmen. You don't look impressed in any situation, cause you'd rather look cool than a funny not occasion. Non-negotiable. Sensei quite coachable. Unprovocable. Overcool and still.
FMF Power Core 4, something like that. So anyway, I just wanted to see if that will fit, and it fits. So now I can tighten everything down. So what I'm gonna do now that I know that this fits is I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, maybe polish it, maybe not, and then I'm gonna put a new sticker on it. So yeah, let's get this thing going.
New York City, you are now rapping with 50 Cent. You gotta love it, I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sentenced to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty from a band, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I get out and kill a nigga, cat, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, and we can go do what you like, I know you like that.
If you gave me a chance, I would take it.
And I sanded all the rust off and polished this. We're missing a clamp here, but I will find that if I do keep this long term. And then I put a brand new FMF sticker on it. No idea if it's gonna burn off or it's gonna stay on, but it's a brand new FMF sticker. And then I polished the pipe. It looked like that. So Obviously, this is a stock header pipe, so this is just a slip-on. This was obviously always shinier than this, but it was pretty dark like this, and then I shined it up, so that's the best I can make it look right now. You know, you can see the tip on how dark it was, and this is how I made it look, so it looks pretty good. We're gonna slap it on.
Still watch the breaks, so I'm feeling really old school check. Talk about the 8 tracks, that's way before the Pro Tools. Talk about the 12 inch, that's way before the CD. Talk about the smoke cloud you see before you see me, it's crazy. Niggas looking, drive me Miss Daisy. I'm newly, you're my savage on some fucking bitch, pay me. See them get lazy, want me on the wave so they can slow down and change me, but they gon' have to race me. Once I got started, you ain't slow it down. Real shit, I only got my fist if it's going down. Back to elevating again. Stay become faking again. Wish the way to begin. So back to meditate.
Here we go.
Again.
That's tight.
Clampity
clamp on.
Back to elevating again.
Let's see what the bass sounds like.
Wish the way to be win.
Let's put the choke on. Like I said, I don't have the bolt in there yet. I gotta just tighten that in there. See how this thing sounds. Choke. And that sounded mean, and as you can see, it needs to be tightened in the bottom. It just vibrated loose, but that sounded good. Wow. When I tighten the shit out of that. So we only have one. I'm shaking the whole quad. We only have one. You hear the gas shaking. We only have one bracket. I could get another bracket, but this one bracket is fucking holding that thing. We'll see how well it does with the vibrations and the jumping and everything else. Might have to tighten it frequently. This is tight as hell. Way louder than that. Whew, definitely needs a repacking. But she sounds good. She's all tight. The only thing I gotta do now is an oil change and a new chain. So we'll go get a new chain. We'll do the oil change, and then she is good to ride for the rest of the season. Two lights on my head look ridiculous, but be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. It'll definitely help me out. It'll help somebody out there, maybe. But like I said, a weight YZ. This thing rips. So yeah, hopefully we don't have to mess with the jets now, and it'll be all right. So like I said, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Team Dirtbash, baby.